So the topic we are going to cover is Fibonacci sequence. What is Fibonacci sequence? So the Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where every number after the first two is the sum of the two preceding number. So in this sequence, first two digits would be always 0 and 1. And proceeding that from the third number, every number is the sum of the previous two numbers. Like 1 is the sum of 0 and 1, 2 is the sum of previous two, 1 and 1, 3 is the sum of 2 and 1, so on. The sequence will continue. So this is the Fibonacci series. This is mostly teach to students so that they can build their mind for the programming. So this is how it works. Starts with 0 and 1. These first two values would be always constant, and after that the next number would be like 0 and 1 plus 1 equal to 1, which is the third number. 1 plus 1 equal to 2, 1 plus 2 equal to 3, 2 plus 3 equal to 5, and so on. So this is the formula, mathematical formula for the Fibonacci sequence. Function of n would be function of n minus 1 plus function of n minus 2. Means the value of n would always be the sum of the previous number n minus 2 plus n minus 2, second last sequence, and always given that function of 0 is always 0 and function of 1 is always 1. Now we are going to write a code to find the Fibonacci series. I am going to write the code of C# programming. So this is how you're gonna start. We will take a number, it's 5. We are going to find the first 5 Fibonacci numbers. A would be the first number, which would be 0, B would be the second number, which would be 1. So these both values would be always constant. Here inside the loop we will start from 0 and run till I is less than n, and value of n is 5, so it will run 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And when value becomes 5, it won't execute. Inside the loop we are going to write the value of a, and then we are going to store the value of a into the temp and value of b into the a, and update the value of b with temp a plus b. So this is the three statement that will keep continuing generating the Fibonacci numbers. We are also going to try run this loop and see what is the value. So step 1, on step 1 a is 0, b is 1, output would be 0 because a is equals to 1, b is equals to 1. For step 2, a would be 1, b would be 1, and output would be 1. For step 3, a would be 1, b would be 2, and output would be 0 and 1 plus 1, 1. For 4, output would be 2, sum of last two numbers. For 5, output would be 3, sum of previous two numbers. So this is how we are going to execute the loop and find the first 5 Fibonacci numbers. And this is the output of the loop. So if you want to find first 1000 Fibonacci numbers, you can just initiate the value of n to 1000 and it will generate the 1000 numbers. So this is how the Fibonacci sequence works. Hope you find this video interesting. Please like and subscribe my video. Thanks.